This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Chevy Cruze key fob battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver, a new CR2032 coin cell battery, and perhaps a plastic prying tool. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Having the right tools makes the process much smoother and quicker, ensuring a successful battery swap. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment point. Insert your small flathead screwdriver or plastic prying tool into this slot. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Take your time and apply steady pressure to avoid damaging the casing or internal components. The goal is to carefully unclip the two sections. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. This is crucial for correct installation of the new battery. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear and feel them click securely into place. Once reassembled, test the key fob's functionality with your Chevy Cruze. Try locking and unlocking the doors to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.